To add a background image, I suggest starting by searching for free stock images. Since my pictures are of the beach, I am going to search for some beach pictures. So Adobe does have some free images, but they have watermarks in them, so I don't recommend that. But you can try any of these other sites. I've used Unsplash before. And I'm gonna look for a beach scene. And let's see which one I like. You can use whatever you want. I'm enjoying this sunset view and I want to download a copy of it. And I recommend doing medium or large is probably good so you get the resolution you want. You could do original size also, so I'll go ahead and do that this time. And it is downloading for me. So it'll be available on my computer. So I'm going to come back to my Photoshop and I'm going to add a new layer. And on this layer, I want to add an image. So I'm going to go to File, Embed, Place Embedded, and look in my downloads, find that picture that I liked. And it takes a minute and then I can, adjust it so that it covers the entire screen and I can, move it if I need